Good morning, my brilliant stars. Today we're going on a super fun adventure right here in our classroom. Not with rockets, not with roller skates, but with our hearts and minds. Who here likes to laugh? Who likes playing with friends, eating snacks, drawing? Well, guess what? Today we're going to learn something that makes all those things even better. It's called life skills. Life skills help us be kind, be smart, and be awesome friends. And today's big skill is one of my favorites. Can anyone guess? It's something we do when someone else wants to play with our toys. It's something we do when we have one cookie, but two tummies. It's called sharing. Can we all say that together? Now listen closely, because I'm going to tell you a magical story about a very silly space explorer named Captain Giggles. Captain Giggles was the happiest space captain in the galaxy. He wore rainbow socks, told silly jokes, and loved teaching little aliens about being kind. One day, Captain Giggles flew his giggle ship to a planet called Nice-a-Lot. On planet Nice-a-Lot, he met three new friends: Zoomy the Zoomicorn, a unicorn who runs really fast and always wants to go first; Munchie the Monster, a big fluffy monster who loves snacks; Sprinkle the Sparklebot, a glitter-blasting robot who cheers every time someone does something kind. Captain Giggles saw Zoomy playing with a ball, but when another alien came to join, Zoomy said, "No, it's my ball." Captain Giggles shook his head and said, "Zoomy, Zoomy, Zoomy, when we share, we all have fun." So Zoomy took a deep breath and passed the ball. And guess what happened? That's right, Sprinkle the robot shot out glitter, because Zoomy just learned the power of sharing and taking turns. Now kids, what do we do when someone else wants a turn with our toy or game? Yes, we share. We can say, "Here, you can go next," or "Let's take turns." Sharing is caring. Sharing is fun. When I share, we all have fun. Snack story: Munchie learns to share. Later, Captain Giggles visited Munchie the Monster, who had a mountain of cookies. He gobbled and munched until, he saw a little alien friend watching sadly from far away. What do you think Captain Giggles said? Let kids guess again. That's right. "Let's share our snacks, Munchie." So Munchie gave half his cookie to his friend. And Sprinkle the robot? Boom! Glitter explosion again. Because Munchie shared. Let's talk about feelings. Sometimes, even friends forget to share. Sometimes we make mistakes, and that's okay. What can we say if we hurt someone's feelings or bump them by accident? Kids respond, "Sorry." Yes, saying sorry shows we care. And when someone gives us something or helps us, we say, kids, thank you. Let's say both together. Sorry and thank you, the magic words. Creative moment. All right, little artists. Now close your eyes for just 5 seconds and imagine Teacher's CTA for parents, optional at dismissal or note home. Parents and guardians. Today we learned about sharing and kindness through an interactive story. Ask your child about Captain Giggles, Zoomy, and Munchie. We encourage you to practice these life skills at home and continue the learning with our free downloadable activity sheets and ebooks. Check the take-home flyer or classroom website for the link. You're on Planet Nice-a-Lot, and you're doing something kind. Maybe you're sharing your toy. Maybe you're helping someone. Maybe you're saying sorry. Now open your eyes and show me with your hands. What would that look like? Encourage miming, sharing toys, giving hugs, offering snacks, saying sorry, etc. Optional, let's take 5 minutes and draw that scene. Draw you being a kindness hero. Closing song, feel free to sing or chant. We're kindness heroes, hooray, hooray. We share, we care, we laugh and play. We say thank you and take our turns. And every day, a new skill we learn. Final message, teachers wrap up. Boys and girls, today we learned something amazing. When we share, say kind words, and take turns, we make the world better. We make people smile, and we feel great inside. So tomorrow, when you play, or eat, or talk with your friends, I want you to remember this. Put hand on heart. I am kind. I can share. I am a life skill hero.